Do you know 자기소개?
Oh, hi.
자기소개. 자기소개. Alam mo yun.
Wait a minute.
Hindi pa? Tara. What's up mga Ka-Annyeong? I am John Ray and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to talk about introducing oneself in Korean way. Being able to introduce yourself in any form of language is fundamentally a very basic form for you to be able to get into the language. Yet in Korea, there are many ways for you to introduce yourself depending on who the person you are talking with or where the situation you are into so as to introduce yourself. Pero ang tanong, paano ba natin ipakilala ang sarili natin in Korean way? Kaya, mga Ka-Annyeong, in this video, let me teach you on how we are going to introduce ourselves in Korean way. So please keep on watching. Eventually.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow. 존리 씨, 자기소개 해보세요. 자기소개? 자기소개?
Oh no, anong gagawin ko? 자기소개? Alam ko to eh. 야야, 자기소개 알았어? 아, 그럼 더러 열심히 하겠습니다. 파이팅!
앉으세요. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. 예, 안녕하세요. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 저는 존레입니다.
저는 31살이고 있습니다. 저는 필리핀에서 왔습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. Paano naman kung may ipinakilala ang friend mo? Ano ang gagawin mo?
A few inches later.
준리야, 안녕?
예.
오랜만이야. 정말 보고 싶다.
진짜로? 오랜만이에요.
인사해봐요.
안녕. 저는 존리라고 해요. 만나서 반가워요.
Three weeks later.
What if kung na-meet mo ang parents ng kaibigan mo? Anong gagawin mo?
예. 안녕하세요. 저는 존리예요.
예, 안녕하세요. 난 연유의 아버지예요.
예. 얘기 많이 들었어요. 잘 부탁드립니다.
Wait a minute.
Just remember that in every situation, you always have to remember kung sino ang kausap mo at kung saan ito for you to be able to know on what kind of language form you're going to use.
At ang catch nito, before you say anything else, you always have to bow your head as a form of respect, especially to a person that is older than you when you are talking to them, or in a general situation, and especially as well when you're meeting the person for the first time.
Sorhada, bowing, the most common way of greeting among the Koreans, which entails politeness and respect.
Do you know 자기소개? 자기소개. 자기 means self or oneself. 소개 means introduction. 자기소개. Self-introduction.
Take note, it is very important to know how to properly introduce yourself so as to converse with the other person with respect and in a polite way.
이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 존레이입니다. I름 means name. Moeo means what. In short, it translated as, what is your name? Kaya if you'd like to ask their name, you can ask them, Irumi moeo?
Okay, let's go.
저는 존레입니다. 저는 존레입니다. 저는 my name입니다.
I got you, fam!
Example, 저는 Patrick입니다. 저는 Michael입니다. 저는 David입니다. Blah blah blah. 저는 means I or me, I am, and plus the name and with the use respect form of 입니다. 저는 존레입니다.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam
어디서 오셨어요? 어디서 오셨어요? 필리핀에서 왔어요. 어디서? Where? 오셨어요. Are you from? Where are you from? Means, saan ka galing? And I will respond, since I am from the Philippines, then Pilipineso 왔어요. Pilipineso 왔어요. Vietnam에서 왔어요. Hindo에서 왔어요. Indonesia에서 왔어요. Your place에서 왔어요.
Ang galing. Galing mo, Anggoy.
Diba? Right now, I'm sure and I'm pretty sure that you can now start introducing yourself to your Korean friends. Madali lang naman, diba? And this time, it is your time to practice introducing yourself in an easy and fun way.
This time, let us do the role play.
Okay.
Let us try.
ginagawa mo?
이름이 뭐예요? 저는 존레입니다. 어디서 오셨어요? 그래요? 저는 필리핀에서 왔어요. 정말요? 그래, 만나서 반가워요. Yeah!
Paano ba yan mga Ka-Annyeong? I'm sure after this, marunong ka na magpakilala sa sarili mo in Korean. Ready ka na ba to explore and meet friends?
Paano masabi?
Diba? Ang saya lang. Were you able to do it? Kaya mo yan, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure that practice lang ng practice at makakaya din natin yan. And if you'd like to know more about the Korean language, and if you seriously would want to know more about all other Korean stuff, just let me know by commenting down below and share your thoughts, share your positive thoughts, and let us help each other. And I'll try to answer the best way I can. Or if not, you can follow on my other social media accounts in my Facebook, in my Instagram, in my TikTok, especially on my YouTube channel. Just don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and let us help each other to learn Korean in simple and in a fun way. Paano ba? Dito na lang tayo. Krom, daumi buhayo mga Ka-Annyeong! Annyeong! Fundamentally is, were you able to do it? Today in this video, today in this new content, we are going to talk about on how are we going to introduce ourselves in Korean way. Where are you from? Where? Where?